How do you get clients for your freelancing business? Let me show you one method.
I'd like us to learn a method in which you can use to get emails in bulk, like to create email lists that you want to cold mail. So, cold mailing first is the act of sending emails to people who actually do not know you and people that you have never interacted with, but you want to work with them. You want to request them for a call, maybe to discuss how you can partner or work together. So I'll show you a simple method. There are so many ways to get such email lists which you want to call mail. So this is one. In the comment section down below, you can show me some more methods in which you use to get your emails. If in case you're not using a CRM tool like HubSpot or Apollo, etc., or Sales, there's another one called Salesforce. Yeah. So for this method, we'll use the incognito mode in Chrome, and then in the incognito mode, I'll type this name: recruit, recruit them. So type that. Let's switch to English. Yeah. So recruit them. On searching recruit them, you click on the first link which says X-ray, search LinkedIn, and more. Actually, this is a site which helps you scrape LinkedIn and other sites like Dribble, GitHub, Zing, whatever this is, Stack Overflow, and Twitter. So the first step, you type recruit them, and then down here we'll do some adjustments. Job title, first you have to know which category of people you want to approach. For me, I would like to go with say people in supply chain. I won't type manager or director or whoever. I'll just type supply chain. I'll check this box which says show similar jobs because it will help in getting more emails. The location, I don't think I care a lot about the location. Wherever you are, you can be my client or our client. Keywords to exclude, I do not have any person I'm neglecting. Anyone who is a client can be a client. Current employer, I don't care who is the current employer. Education is all candidates. So to get as many results as possible, we can avoid filling these fields, but if you need, you can also fill these fields, like you can write USA, UK, but for me that's not a big deal. In case I want to filter more, I'll just add more cities here. Like they have even given you an example which is London, Paris, and you can also add more keywords like in supply chain. You can find something like transport, logistics, etc. So after typing the job title and country, I've chosen all countries, or let me choose United States and see what I get. But all countries will give you more emails. Remember, you're just approaching people you don't know and try to get business out of them. So anyone reaching out to anyone is okay. So after clicking, just a minute, I go back. After setting up your fields here, these few fields, you just click find the right people on LinkedIn, and then it gives you a URL. Just copy this URL, and then after copying, go to add another tab. In this other tab, we'll write something like I want to go to this website, which is called the word counter, to do some setting here. Word counter. Yeah, word counter. Just select the first one. Now in this field, copy paste your link, which we have copied here. This link. Now copy it in your word counter. We need to edit it a bit, so you'll delete everything up to this part with in. Yeah, you delete that. Check well to ensure you know what I'm deleting. You delete that. You remain with this part which is up to in. So after that, you'll also need to do some other editing. Just before this part of in title, you'll put some quotes, and then inside these quotes, write something like at gmail.com. So this is the email provider. For the first search, we'll search people with at gmail.com. Then for the second search, we can do at Outlook, Hotmail, whichever other providers that you might know, at yahoo.com. Yeah, all those. So for the first search, we'll go with at gmail.com, and check well to ensure you notice where I've put it just before in title, and the others you don't touch. So after that, now copy this link and paste it in your search bar top here. So I have pasted this, and then I do the search. So as you can see, the results we get are people with emails which end with at gmail.com. This is, for instance, this is my first result, and this is in USA, since we have chosen to work with people in the US. Yeah, another email is this. So this is what I wanted exactly. So to get better results, just scroll up to the lowest point you can reach here. Scroll until you can't scroll anymore. Go to the last search result. Click on more results. Then scroll down. Keep on pressing more results. I want to get the most out of this. This is for people in the US, but we can also choose another country. So more results. I'll click on more results until I get to the last page of my search results. These rows are many. More results. Want to go to the very last page of my search results. Still there are more. We need all of them. No one is getting left behind. Okay. all results. uh-huh. Yeah, so finally I am in the last page of my search results. It took too long, I think, there, so we'll get good emails. So after getting to the last page, see here I can't scroll to another page. There should be something telling me more results, but I've scrolled to the last page of my search results. What you do here, just press Ctrl A to highlight everything, or if you don't like shortcuts, just highlight everything in this part in your search results, everything up to the top. Yeah, the shortcut is Ctrl A to highlight everything. This is a long cut. So I'll copy up to this part. I want to copy all my results, so press Ctrl C, or just right click, then click on copy. Now this we are copying to this site here, search email extractor 1.4 lite. Search this web page or site. It will ask to confirm whether you're not a robot. I'm not. Select cars. I think these are the cars I can see. You have another one there. Yeah. Email extractor 1.4. It's just this top option here. So I expect you to see something like this. Email extractor lite 1.4. So in this box, I'll paste all my results, and then only to edit you'll do here, instead of comma, click on new line. New line means you'll be given the emails each on a new line, so that it's easier to identify. So after clicking on new line, just click on extract. After clicking on extract, you can see how many emails I have fetched. I have all these. Yes. So I copy this to some document here. Don't know if it opens. We are in the incognito mode. I don't want to sign in, but these emails I can copy them to a new document. Like I would choose to copy them to some document here. Yeah. Let me go to new docs and just open one here. Click on a new document. I paste my emails here. Let me just number them to see how many I have got for the first search. This is the first run. I have managed to get 28 emails. So for the second round, this is people in the US actually. You'll be doing some edits and search some emails like this. So for the second run, where are we? For the second run, I'll do at Yahoo. So we'll just edit here. at yahoo.com. We copy this link. We copy again here to get a different result. Let's wait for the search to give us results. Now we are getting people at yahoo.com. This is the first guy here, you can see. We can go and see if another, sorry, I've clicked something here. So we can get to, we can see another email is here. So another one is here. So this is what I want exactly. Now let's do the same as we did earlier. Scroll to the last result, the very last page. I'll click on matokeo zaidi. This is more results. Don't know why it's showing me results in Swahili. I'll scroll to the last page. The very last page is where we are going. Next time I'll show you a setting which makes this work easier. There is a setting which ensures you see endless results up to the last point instead of you clicking on see more. So I'll keep on clicking see more up to the last page. I want more results. I want to get as many emails as possible and then start sending my cold emails and see if they will accept to work with me or our company. So go down. Yes, so this is the last page. This time round I'll just click on Control A to highlight everything. These are my search results. You can see there are so many. So after clicking on Control A, I'll click on Control C to copy. And then I'll go again to our email extractor 1.4 Lite. Now since I copied this somewhere, I'll just delete and then paste my new search results. And then it's set to new line. Always ensure it's set to new line. Then click on extract. Immediately after clicking on extract, you can see how many emails I have managed to get. So many people have used at yahoo.com. So I'll just copy this. Control A to copy all my results and then paste them and my previous results to see how many emails we've got. You can see now I have 212 emails and the list can go on and on because we have .outlook. So after getting the emails, you'll do the work of cleaning and ensuring each email is correct. Like here, I love to delete the dots at the end of com. Yeah, you clean the data and then you start scheduling your emails. You can see how many emails I've got. Seriously, 212, just 2 searches. I've done such 1 and such 2. So let me do the last one and then you can, I think you have gotten the skill. So I'll start afresh. These are people in the United States in the supply chain sector. I have clicked on show similar jobs. Anyone doing a job similar to supply chain, I'll get their email. keywords and keywords to exclude, I have avoided them so that I get as many results as possible. For education, you choose all candidates. I don't discriminate anyone. You can be, yeah, as long as you have some gig, you can always work. Current employer, I won't put any employer here. I don't know why it's giving me Gain Labs. Actually, Gain Labs is a software engineering company. So I'll click on find the right people on LinkedIn. Now, let me just cancel this and tell you something. It's giving me people on LinkedIn because I have selected LinkedIn here. In case I select an option like Dribble, it will give me people in Dribble. If I go to GitHub, it will scrape GitHub and then give me results of people of emails which have been put in GitHub, as well as the rest. If I click Twitter, I'll get results from Twitter. I'll scrape Twitter and then get all results from Twitter. So many professionals, I prefer to get them from LinkedIn, but I recommend you try all options to get better results. Supply chain, I add supply chain. Oops. Supply chain show similar jobs, people in the United States. Yeah, I will put nothing, then find the right people. Find the right people on LinkedIn. I don't know why it's taking time to load. Since it will give me, I don't know why it has failed. Yeah, so this is the URL. You copy it, you go type wordcounter.net. On this box here is where you do your editing of the link you have copied. You delete this part of the link, which you only remain from the part of in. So I delete that. Then you edit. Before in title, you put two speech marks, opening and closing speech marks. Inside them, since I had done the search for at Gmail, at Yahoo, now let me try at Outlook.com. Is it at Outlook.com? Let me just confirm. At Outlook.com. Yes, I think we have people using Outlook in the US. So after editing, I'll just click on Ctrl A to highlight the link and then paste it in my search bar and see what results I get. You can see I have one here. Yes. Now I want this. This is one email I have seen. Let's see if we have another. Yeah, this is another one. So it's giving us the results we want. Now the other step is to scroll up to the last page. This is my last result I'm showing. Scroll up to the last page to get as many results as possible. Yeah, keep scrolling. Matokeo zaidi is an English phrase meaning more results. So I'll click on more results up to the last result. I want to go to a page where I can scroll normal. Hmm. Matokeo zaidi. Matokeo zaidi, it seems to have so many results. Hey, people are using Outlook in the US. Okay. Yeah. Nice. So we have gotten to the last result from our search. From here you can see I can click no more results. So I'll just do a simple Control A to highlight everything and then Control C to copy them in our email extractor. Since this I have already taken them, I'll delete and then paste our results, our search results here. I'll ensure it's in new line so that we get each email on a new line, and then extract. After clicking extract, you can see so many emails that we have managed to get for free. This is a free method. Copy these emails, combine them with your other emails down here, and in those few minutes I have recorded this video, you can see I have managed to collect 349 emails, yeah, which I can now reach out to these people and see if we can work something out together. Try to talk business, try to see if they have any projects for us, yeah, and something of that sort. So thank you so much for following up to this point. I believe you've gotten the skill. If you like the video, just hit the subscribe button, like, share for more. I'll be bringing more videos on business and tech as we go on. So bye bye, see you next time.